morning, children. I am Hatasvi teacher from St. Thomas School. So, children, let us start our second unit. The name of our unit is Scientists and Inventions. Let us start our first activity. In that, part 1, famous Indian scientists. Necessity is said to be the mother of invention. Means necessity is our mother of invention. Scientists are curious to know and explore different things and process around them. So children, those who are scientists, they are very excited to know about different things and to invent different things which are there around them. We enjoy all the comforts of knowledge as well as life today. We are using telephone, mobile, different things and different digital things which are made by the different scientists. So we all are enjoying these things with the help of them. This would not have not been possible without the efforts and success of numerous scientists' invention. If scientists have not invented these all things, then we will not be able to enjoy it. Some of the famous scientists of India are Aryabhatta, Chanakya, C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, C.R. Rao, Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha and many more. Aryabhatta, Chanakya, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai, so many, these are the scientists of our India. Let us read more about some of the famous Indian scientists. So children, let us now know more things about our Indian scientists. Vikram Sarabhai was born in Ahmedabad on 12th August 1919 in a Jain family. Vikram Sarabhai was born in Ahmedabad on 12th August 1919 in a Jain family. The establishment of Indian Space Research Organization was one of his greatest achievements. Children, Vikram Sarabhai has invented or established ISRO, means Indian Space Research Organization, and ISRO was his greatest achievement. He also supported Dr. Homi Bhabha in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. When Dr. Homi Bhabha launched first rocket launching station in India, he supported to Dr. Homi Bhabha. So next is Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, widely regarded as the father of India's nuclear science program. Dr. Homi Bhabha is known as the father of Indian nuclear science program. He was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institution of Fundamental Research. He was an Indian nuclear physicist. He was also the founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Next is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. Aryabhatta was mathematician and astronomer. He gave the concept of zero. He gave us the concept of zero, means Aryabhatta found the zero and placed value system in math. And he also placed the value system in maths. Now next is Sir Chandrasekhar Venkataraman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was an Indian physicist. He was our Indian physicist. He was awarded by the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his discovery in physics known as Raman effect. He found the Raman effect in physics, and for that he was rewarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. So, dear children, here our first activity is completed. Now our second activity. Observe the following pictures and find the name of the scientist and their contribution to the world of science. Write in the space provided below. Here you have to write the pictures given of the scientist and their details. So this you will get in the PDF, and next part of this unit we will see in next video. Thank you.